Hey there, this is Mayank. Welcome to CAD2Control, a place where I post my mini projects and a few tutorials that aim to go from modeling an idea in a CAD software like SolidWorks and simulating it using various tools like Gazebo and ROS. So, why did I start CAD2Control? I have done multiple projects since my 12th to explore the domain of electronics, computer science, and a bit of mechanical engineering. The open source community has helped me a lot in the development of all these projects. CAD2Control is a compilation of all my projects and tutorials on certain topics about which I did not find any good resources on the internet. It is my way of contributing back to the open source community. Subscribe and share the channel and follow my blog for updates on projects and tutorials. Link to the blog is in the description.